This clock is 1 hour early.
So ready for the two shifts.
Time difference, an hour or something.
She's gonna kill themselves. Fuck them.
This one, guys, is rice field before. I think it's still the same. You can see the boxes. And on the other side here is grapes. And the one on the other side is cherries. And this is, we always have this in our vlog. This place, it's a winery.
Rice field here.
Rice on that side. And we got rice on this side, which is where it belongs to the Sunrise, where we deliver it. And that is a winery of Newgan Estate. So this is the road that we pass on the way home. If you are watching our vlog in Australia, this is our road to go home. You always see this. See, they're big now. Before they were only little. When we left in Eladi, this grapes area, because they were like plants, then they changed it. So now, look, the oranges are bigger. How old do you reckon this is? 2 years old?
Yeah, 2 years.
Yeah, that's oranges, guys. Yeah, there's a house there.
Around the corner here we look.
And on the way to our home is we have got the cotton. Yeah. Ito na, cotton bale. Ayan. Ayan guys, so good morning sa inyo lahat. Balik Australia muna tayo. Wala tayong nakikita except mga farm area, mga cotton plantation. Kasi ito guys yung lugar namin. Ganito naman talaga. If you watch us before in this channel, you know that we always introduce to you the area that we have, which is full of plantation. Like cotton over there, talagang marami siyang cotton guys. Ayan. And then may mga oranges, may mga grapes, may cherries pa nga dito. Wala lang apples dito kasi medyo mainit-init. Pero naglagay sila ng cherries. It's been there a while and they've been harvesting every year. So balik tayo sa ating lugar dito sa Australia. Ayan siya guys. Pero next week pupunta tayo sa tinitirhan ng anak namin na eldest. Doon ay walang mga ganito guys. Puro sila mga dagat. What's in Batesman Bay? Seaside.
Seaside, nice beaches.
Oo. Yun naman doon sa kanila is magagandang dagat, magagandang mga tourist spot related sa dagat kasi coastal area doon at mahal doon guys ang property. Kung mahal dito sa amin, mas mahal pa doon sa kanila. So punta tayo dito, we will explore that for a few days para na maka-video tayo doon sa mga lugar-lugar, and then para na maka-ano tayo guys, makakuha tayo ng mga clips na maka-souvenir tayo bago tayo umuwi sa Pilipinas kasi next week na tayo babalik. Naghihintay na doon yung bahay namin sa Philippines at saka ang weather na napakainit, so it's waiting for us. The weather that it's very cold. I mean very hot. That no. Dito tingnan nyo, naka-jacket kami ni Daddy. Ayan. Tapos, ayun na guys, i-flip ko kayo, you will see the cotton plantation. Ito na talaga yung lugar namin. Ayan. I have uniform and the name of that. Alright, this is our street. They put the block, they put the caravan. They're building a house. Ayan guys, we are on our way to the bridge. Bahay ng ano ko, boss. Ayan. You remember the bridge? beach, guys, always featured in our video. So we are back here, but very soon we cannot sort of guarantee that we will be back in the same place, because we will be moving also. Our address in Australia, we will be in the seaside place. So, and everyone sort
Bridge
of
the other bridge.
That's the river. Yan,
That's our
guys.
beach here.
May
See?
beach. Yeah. And then dito may beach din. Papunta doon. But we can't get in there today because it's wet. Ayan. This is the town. Ito lang, guys, yung town namin. That one and this one. Here. Welcome to the town. Very tiny. Yan lang siya. Yun. Wow.
Two. 32? 32, 33. It's hard, 32.5. 30. Okay guys, maglakad tayo. We're gonna go for dinner. Dinner which is over there in the hotel. Last hurrah.
In the thing. Last hurrah from Griffith. Last hurrah from Griffith. Ayan. So ayan guys, makita nyo ang nilalakarin namin. Yun. Okay, it's winter. Daddy got a hoodie. I don't have a hoodie. So my head is only got a headband. And I did not bring my beanie because I thought, oh wow, it's not that cold. I was wrong.
Not that cold yet, but when you come out
It
later,
is cold. I can feel my face. It's like a refrigerator. Oh my god. So anyway, this is it. This is our first leg of a visit. So we're gonna go to another area tomorrow. Another place tomorrow. Hanggang sa likod. Kunin natin sa harap. There is the front view. It's better. So we're gonna go and we just walk for a dinner on that light there. That's where we're gonna go. So it's not very far. Can walk it. It's not that long. And let's see what we can eat for tonight. So dad is looking like this. He's OOTD of daddy. He's got an army jumper. And I have this jumper. They call it jumper, this one, but we call it jacket. Ito, they call it here in Australia jumper. And we call it in Philippines like jacket. So siguro, jacket ang tawag sa atin. Dito jumper kasi guys.
So that's what we call. That's what we are wearing tonight. See? Tara! Ay! Yung pink shoes ko pala guys. Yun. Yan. Naka-bright pink tayo. Si daddy naka-brown. He bought it the other day. Ay, naka-pink shoes. Yan. Nice. Nice and warm the bread. Daddy eating. Oh, nice and warm. And we got our butter. And we got our juice. 2 juices. I got some pineapple juice, babe. So, hello guys. Dumating na kami. So, mag-shower lang ako. And then, you got your water, Baba? You want ice cream?
What?
There's one ice cream.
What?
Ice cream.
Oh, yeah.
You have this. Yeah. Last one, guys. Bigay natin kay daddy. Alright, daddy. Tissue you want? Tissue. Here. Tissue. Okay. So, tapos na kami, guys. Nag-dinner kami. I forgot if I filmed the dinner. But anyway, we went to had something to eat. And then, yun na. So, naka-prepare na yung mga bags namin for tomorrow. Kasi, mag-ano na kami, guys. Mag-travel ulit kami. So, then, by the time na makita nyo to, naka-travel na kami. No? So, ayan yung ano natin. Ang ganap natin for today. Nag-dinner lang kami, nagbihis na ako, pero mag-shower muna, then yun na, then conversation na tayo kay Miss Jonah. Kasi, ano siya guys, may ginagawa siya sa bahay para sa charity work natin, sa Angel Wings, yun. Mamigay na naman tayo ng mga school supplies sa mga bata, yun. So, ayan. Let's shall do. Yeah. Tomorrow is alis na tayo. Punta na tayo sa pupuntahan natin. So yan ang vlog natin for today. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. Hindi ako naka-vlog sa daan kasi medyo maraming tao nagtatambay sa car park. So ayaw ko na makita nila na nag-film ako. Tapos medyo gabi na. Pero maliwanag pa rin. Yun. May mga ilaw sa kaya lang syempre kahit na ganyan mag-careful pa rin tayo kasi hindi natin alam kung sino mga tao na nakatambay-tambay, although na nag-relax lang naman sila sa mga sasakyan nila, okay naman, hindi naman sila harmful. So ayan, so that is our day for today. So mini vlog, we shall see you in our next one.
Thank you for watching. Bye bye now.